Hi, my name is Ty Lomari.
And my name is Rodman Henderson.
We'd like to share with you another episode of Yirara TV. Over recent years, we have enjoyed building our relationships with students from Lutheran College, Melbourne.
End of last term, we had another great opportunity. Let's take a look.
Thank you, Ruth.
You're welcome.
That's so much more fun than just saying.
So we've come on a culture and service trip with our school to broaden our horizons and learn more about Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander culture in Australia.
Just saying it's getting close to morning, that rooster starts crowing.
Hi, I'm Austin,
And I'm Kate. I'm Jack.
and we're from Lifted College in Melbourne, Victoria.
So I was interested in this trip because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that money can't buy. It's about learning about the culture and the experience and getting to know the students at the school.
And that's the other thing too, it's hard to catch them because they may be fat and chubby, they got muscle, but they can run on a little tiptoe sharp and they just take off. So yeah, the colour was the printing, it was like actually these for him. He painted on his back with these symbols on it.
Just gaining access to places that we wouldn't otherwise have been able to go to.
Yeah, I think a lot of the time we have the opportunity to travel around the world from where we are, but how many times we actually get to experience some of these hidden cultures within our country, it's pretty special.
It took a lot of work to come here. Like, we had to fill out applications, write profiles about ourselves. We had to sit through a 15-minute interview. We did fundraising with egg and bacon, barbecues, selling brownies and things like that. So it's taken a lot to get here, but I'm really happy to be here. So far we've had so many experiences playing and mucking around with the kids. We've played football, soccer, mucked around doing basketball. We've learnt about dot paintings.
Once you've got your idea, come and grab the canvas. Paint your background any colour you want. You take it outside, let it get dry.
We've painted some of our own. It's been really good to see them spend some good quality time with them.
Yeah, and just the dot paintings with Ruth.
A circle for Melbourne, coming to Alice Springs, coming together, mix of, the communities, coming together to church.
And just watching them develop with us, like with us being around them and seeing them take form over the past few days. So I'm really looking forward to going to Uluru and to see the magical beauty and the sunsets all down there.
I'm really excited to get a more in-depth sort of experience going to the town of Hermannsburg and sort of really learning about the community there and their daily life.
Yeah, and I've had heaps of fun getting to know some of the kids here, and especially Junior. I've gotten to know him really well, and we've really bonded over sports and basketball and had fun with him.
So we'd really like to thank the whole community here at Yirara College for having us and making it such a warm and inviting place.
Yeah, and we'd all really like to thank the teachers and staff and everyone back home at Luther College for getting us here.
Awesome, thanks guys.
I really enjoyed sitting with some of them when we were having dinner and just talking and learning more about their communities and how they've found their path to Yirara.
Our Pathways team work hard to offer us opportunities to explore our business around Alice Springs.
Meeting people, trying something new, and spending some hands-on time helps us to better understand employment options in our future.
When we got there, we were shown around the workshops to help us understand the many things they do every day. Then we built wheelbarrows and made them shop ready for Bunnings to sell. Prime canvases for painting and remove staples from frames. We had a good time. Maybe some of us might come back one day for work.
In quick looks this week, some of us had the chance to work with clay.
Work on making guitars. Have vaccination to help with winter.
It's going to be over in a second. There you go.
Actually, I like sharing the pain. It goes better when we share the pain.
Sharing is caring.
And work on our English outside in the sun.
Sorry.
And that's another episode of Yirara TV. We'll see you next week. Bye!